Welcome to another interview down here in Munich at Productronica. We are once again at the Yamaha booth, and this time I'm joined by Ichiro Arimoto, the big boss here, coming to speak to us.
Nice to talk to you. Yeah.
Thank you for taking the time.
Yeah.
Calendar year is almost coming to a close. We're ending 2019.
Yes.
How was the business year for Yamaha?
Yeah. In general, I think it's a not bad year, but it's obviously that is 2018 was a very great year. So it's comparing that 2018 that is we are let's say 20% less than.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but I think it's a good year, and also that our main concept, the total line solution. So our customers still prefer to select our machines with a total line solution. So it's we still have a lot of customers is selecting our total line solution.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what was the total line solution
Yeah.
the big mover during the year
Yes,
for
I
you?
think I believe that is continuing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we have this new beast over here that is kind of something that we're used to seeing from Yamaha, but this is an updated situation here.
Of course, yes, yeah. Of course, that the total line solutions concept is very important, but basically that pick and place is a main factor of the SMT process, and also we have to keep improving our technologies to pick and place. So yes, we are plan to release these machines next year, but we as firstly introduced these machines in Europe. It's from out of worldwide.
Yeah.
So that is the first introduction in the worldwide market.
So what is the specialty of this one that you haven't been able to offer before?
So mainly that is, as you may know, that we integrated our Hitachi technology.
Yes.
So it's 2015 we it's merged the Hitachi business, and then this machine's technology is some part is taken that the Hitachi technology, it's a Sigma technology, so forth. So I think that for example, it's overdrive technologies, which is the rear side head can pick up from front side.
Okay.
So it's kind of it's a very identical technology is also in, and also that is one of the good highlight is here our machines will be based on the YS series, which is Yamaha original products basis, but also that is left hand side we already prepared that for the Sigma feeders machine. So it's a
So that would also benefit the picking speed for everything, because you're unloading and loading is a lot quicker.
And also that as you know, for the pick and place, the feeder interface is different, the machine by machine, vendor and vendor. So that we also have some issues on that the Sigma machines and the Yamaha machine is a different interface. But in these machines, customer choose YS series feeder or Sigma series feeders.
But when we looked at the Sigma feeder here, over there, I see something that we don't usually see from Yamaha. You got a robot going on here.
Thank you very much for touching on that part. We also just started a new business in Europe for the FA. It's let's say it's a factory automation. So which is we have is a lot of it's a Scala robot or Cartesian robot. So such as basic automatic robotics system also we can provide. So we try to expand our business in the Europe is not only for SMT part. It's to the assembly areas, and also that on the back behind, we also is going into the semiconductors areas also. So that we expanding a lot of our business is related to the kind of electronics field.
What is the thought behind going into the general assembly area with robotics and also now moving into semiconductor? They're competitive markets.
Yeah, it's a very competitive market, but we merged that some is legacy suppliers in such a field. So I believe that we can collaborate with such suppliers, and then we can expand and also have a synergy effect each other's.
But your prime mover last year was the total line solution. and that one has also received an update this year. The total line solution, as I remember, it was a pretty fast line to begin with. What have you done to upgrade that one now?
Yeah, actually, we are improving that is connectivities.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, we already have printer, screen printer, and the SPI, and the pick and place, and then AOI.
Yeah.
So we have all over very, it's a main basic factor of the SMT lines. So then now lately that's customer request that is connectivity, communication with machine to machines, and also that customer would like to have a connection with MVS.
Yeah.
So that we are improving such kind of a system, mainly that for the software part. So machine is already completed. So that now our stage is focusing on the software integration.
Yeah.
So that this year we released that is let's say dashboard that is analyzing tool, very powerful analyzing tool for the production. So then customer easy to find out that the pitch process is have a problem. So this kind of approach is getting more important
so
in the future.
How many engineering hours do you think you
actually we have is more than 50 engineers in Japan is focusing on such kind of automation.
Well, I hope that the new expanded total line solution will be your prime mover next year, and I thank you for the interview.
Thank you very much. Welcome.